Hey there, future millionaires! Welcome back to the channel where we turn smart money habits into real wealth. Are you tired of working hard but never really seeing your bank account grow? You're putting in the hours, grinding away, but it feels like you're stuck on a financial treadmill. Millions of people are in the same boat, living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like they'll never get ahead. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be this way. Today, I'm sharing 3 simple but incredibly powerful money secrets that can completely change your financial game. Ready to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start building a life of financial freedom? Let's dive into the 3 secrets that can make it happen. The first step to financial freedom is a game changer. Pay yourself first. Every time you get paid, set aside a portion of that money for yourself before spending on anything else. Think of it like this. You're your own most important bill. Most people get paid and immediately start paying everyone else, their landlord, credit card companies, utility providers. But the wealthy? They prioritize themselves. Start with a manageable percentage. Even 10% of your income can make a huge difference over time. This money goes straight into a separate account, your future millionaire fund. This could be a high-yield savings account, a Roth IRA, or even index funds. The important thing is that this money is off limits for your everyday expenses. Imagine you bring home $1,000 every paycheck. By paying yourself first, you're committing to setting aside $100 right off the bat. That leaves you with $900 for everything else. This small shift in mindset can have a monumental impact on your financial future. The key takeaway here is consistency. Start small, stay consistent, and gradually increase that amount as your income grows. The second secret to building wealth: controlling your spending. It's about being mindful of where your money is going and making sure your spending aligns with your financial goals. Think about it. How many times have you looked at your bank statement at the end of the month and wondered, where did all my money go? It's usually those small, seemingly insignificant purchases that add up over time. The daily lattes, the impulse buys, the subscriptions you forgot you even had. The goal here isn't to completely deprive yourself, but to become more conscious of your spending habits. Ask yourself, do I really need this item, or am I just buying it on a whim? Track every dollar using a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a good old-fashioned notebook. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can start identifying areas where you can cut back without drastically impacting your lifestyle. By controlling your spending and making conscious choices about where your money goes, you'll be amazed at how much faster your savings will grow. Now for the most exciting part, secret number 3, making your money work for you. This is where investing comes in. Investing is like planting seeds. You put your money into assets that have the potential to grow over time, and then you reap the rewards. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be complicated. There are tons of resources available to help you get started, from educational websites and books to financial advisors. The key is to start small and learn as you go. Begin by investing in low-cost index funds, or ETFs. These are like baskets of stocks that offer broad market exposure and diversification. Think of your money as your employees. Every dollar you invest is out there working for you, earning you more money. The more you invest, the larger your workforce becomes, and the more money they can generate for you. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Stay the course, be patient, and let your money work its magic. So there you have it. The 3 simple secrets to start building wealth today. Pay yourself first, control your spending, and make your money work for you. These 3 principles, as simple as they seem, have the power to completely transform your financial future. It all starts with taking that first step and believing that financial freedom is within your reach. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more content just like this. The best time to start building your financial empire was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. Start today and set yourself on the path to financial freedom.